July box. So I'm really excited about it, and we're gonna open her up and check it out. Okay, so here we go, guys. And oh my goodness, this box is so pretty. So excited. So here we have our little card that we'll look at later. So first things first, we've got some cool little bags. So, oh, we have a bottle. Let's see what this bottle is. And this is Florida water. So this is actually something really interesting and something I might address at length in a YouTube video when we're dealing with potion making and also making cleansing washes for the house and things like that. This is an ingredient that you're going to see in multiple kinds of metaphysical work like voodoo, hoodoo, and santeria, which are all closed practices. So I'm going to show you how to use it from a non-closed practice perspective. Alrighty guys, but this is actually a really cool perfume and cleansing liquid in and of itself. So if you'll excuse the clumsy finger motion here, I am terrible with this, and yes, I am filming. Oh, and look, there's my pupper's water dish. Okay, so here we go. We have something cool. And just to let you guys know, we are kind of reorganizing stuff around the house, so... Oh, wow. This is really beautiful. It's a sun charm. I absolutely love this design. It is really, really gorgeous. Not usually a big fan of gold things, but I do like that sun charm, so that was really beautiful. Put that here. What is this? This is a spirit element body oil. Gonna have to read into the card to see what that is, but it looks really beautiful. My camera is not doing it. There you can see the gold glitter in it. It's really, really pretty. Now what do we have in this box? Oh, I don't want to damage the... Okay. I'm one of those folks who doesn't like to rip stickers, but... And please excuse the hand. All right, well, we'll just do this way. Hang on, guys. I'm trying to do this to the best of my ability to focus on the box while I'm doing... Okay. And y'all can laugh. I know, I'm so silly. I didn't want to damage the tape because it was so pretty. But, oh well. We will press on with my goofy self. And yes, you guys, this is kind of my mobile reading altar with all of my decks and things. Well, part of all of my decks. All right, so we're almost there. You guys are awesome for being so patient, because I am being ridiculous. Okay, we're gonna pause this here and I'll come back. Yeah, I had to actually cut the tape off, but okay, so here we are, and oh wow, that is really, really, oops, okay. And that is how we make a mess in the traditional Jess fashion. Dropping everything. Yes, here we go. So here we have a really pretty crystal charm. It's cool. Going to put that back in the box without the cardboard noodle. So that is very cute. And the box it came in was beautiful, so I wanted to show that. All right, and now this I'm really excited about. I am a huge hibiscus fiend. I eat the flowers. I love everything about them. And this is a hibiscus mint herbal tea, and it sounds absolutely delicious. And then our last little thing here, I think, is in this lovely little bag. And I'm just going to very gently Hang on, guys. And again, thank you for you all being so patient. All right, you're gonna see box for a second, or at least side of. Okay. Okay. So in that adorable little bag were something I know a little bit about, Guatemalan worry dolls. My mom actually used to live in Guatemala. This is what they look like. And I'll let you guys see the little bit of thing. So basically, you would put these under the children's pillow to help them have a worry-free day. So essentially the dolls are meant to take away the worries during the night, and they came in that gorgeous little bag. So that is it for the box, I think, and I am going to put these back in here in a second, and then let's just go over our little card, which I had upside down. Here we go. So we got the Florida water, the sun catcher, the hibiscus mint tea, the worry dolls, and the sun amulet, and the sunchild oil. Oh, and that's what it was called, sunchild oil. So we got all of these. They all look really interesting. I'm really excited to do some spell working in the near future on the tubes, so on the YouTube. So if you guys like what you see, this is a fairly reasonable gift box. And like I said, anything that I don't necessarily have a use for, I can find a home for. So I would definitely recommend using the 10% off link below in the description, and you guys have a great night.